This 2016 Forest River Surveyor 251 RKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 29 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, refrigerator, oven, external shower, water heater, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Forest River Surveyor 251 RKS is 5,935 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.